Guys, today I just want to walk you through really quickly how to use the solving linear inequalities in one variable Gizmo. So you're going to log in to Explore Learning. You're going to click on the Gizmo and you can go ahead and even launch it. Now you also have the companion guide. So if you have that open in a different tab, you just click that tab and make it its own window. Now you can go ahead and click right here to restore it to make it down. And then you do the same thing with this one. So now you've got your two windows and I can pull them and adjust them to make them so they're side by side, which might be helpful for you when you come to doing this gizmo here. So you can even make it a little bit smaller so that you can see it better. Okay. All right. So as we're going through, you're going to go through, you can do the prior knowledge check. I want you to think about those problems. But what I want to talk about right now is the overview and how to use this. So in the gizmo, you're going to be given a problem and you're going to solve it. So once you solve the problem, this is basically a self-checking feature for you. So if you have the problem, then you can solve it. So if I know x plus 5 is greater than 2, I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. I'm going to get x is greater than negative 3. So I get my inequality. I'm going to use these buttons to solve it. So first of all, I know it's going to be greater than, and I know x is going to be greater than negative 3. So I punch in the symbol and my solution. And I can also go ahead and graph it, okay? Because it's greater than and not equal, it's not going to be filled in. Oops, negative 3, not positive 3. I'm going to take my circle. Oh yeah, greater than negative 3. So there we go. Now I can show my, make sure that I'm correct. When you click that, it shows you how it should have been graphed and how it should have been solved. And then you can click to do a new one. Going through these activities are going to be really helpful because today you're going to take the quiz at the bottom of the gizmo. So you're going to scroll all the way down to the gizmo to take the to answer the assessment questions for your assessment today. All right. Have a good day. Let me know if you have any questions.